Dear all, good morning. I am Ms. Noble A. Paliyat, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sacred Heart College for Women, Chalapudi. Hope you all have seen and watched the previous two videos on Sue Townsend's The Secret Diary of Adrian Mole, aged 13 3 by 4, posted by me a few days ago. In today's class, let's have a look at the three diary entries dated on Tuesday 20th Jan, Thursday 22nd Jan, and Sunday 25th Jan. The diary entries are given heads, that is titles, subheads, that is subtitles, and dates. The first diary entry is titled as Full Moon and is subtitled as My Mother is Looking for a Job. The third diary entry is titled as Third After Epiphany. Now, let's get into the details of the diary entries to be discussed today. Adrian Mole introduces himself to the readers by means of three self-descriptive labels. The labels are delinquent, latchkey kid, and undiscovered intellectual. Delinquent means a person who exhibits a tendency to commit crimes, minor crimes. Now, in the English language, you will come across expressions like delinquent teenagers, juvenile delinquents, etc. So, through this description, Adrian Mole is trying to project himself as an uncontrollable, unmanageable, unruly guy. Latchkey kid means a child who is not under adult supervision when he or she returns home after the school hours. Children falling between the age groups of 5 and 15 are to care for themselves after school hours until their parents or guardians return home. Adrian Mole is a bit agitated and irritated over the fact that there is nobody to recognize, identify, discover the potential, the intellect in him. Holidays are often viewed as a horizon of expectations. They are often a bundle of, a vortex of, a whirlwind of joy, happiness, and enthusiasm. We all eagerly wait for such long cherished and splendid days to happen at once. But here we find Adrian Mole is in a state of dilemma. He is over anxious about how to spend his upcoming holidays, and he even goes to the extent of commenting that the holidays will be unproductive and ineffective. We also find Adrian Mole over concerned about his health and skin. He says, all the time I am eating crisps and sweets. Crisps in the sense fried items. And that is eventually going to ruin my skin and my teeth will also fall out. Adrian Mole also refers to his lost love. He pines for, he wails for his lost love. Many a time he calls Pandora, Pandora, my lost love. Remember, Pandora is the intellectually superior girlfriend of Adrian Mole, who is lovingly called as Box by him. One of the striking features of this diary entry is the lack of warmth, lack of in-depth and close rapport between the mother and the son. There is an absence of intimacy in the mother-son relationship. Adrian Mole labels his mother as selfish, uncaring, thoughtless, detached, unaffectionate, and self centered kind of person. He says, my mother isn't doing any kind of cooking. She is preparing herself for the interview. She is practicing her typing all the day. As such, she is not able to cook. By this comment, Adrian Mole is sidelining with the patriarchal structures in stereotyping women as kind of perfect homemakers, women as perfect cooks. That means down the years, over the years, we all tend to see, we in the sense, the societal forces, the discouraging societal forces tend to compartmentalize women in the role of a cook. So Adrian Mole is becoming a representative of the so-called limiting and the so-called domineering patriarchal society. He also says his father will have to be very stern and firm. Stern and firm in the sense their family would otherwise be a broken home. Broken home means a family in which the parents are either divorced or separated. Students, this is all what constitute the three diary entries in their entirety. I would like to briefly comment on the symbolic significance of the titles used in these diary entries. I'll take the two titles. First is full moon and second is the symbolic significance of the term epiphany. In astrology, there is a common belief that heavenly bodies are energy beings. and they are said to affect the lives and states of human beings on earth. If the sun represents our outer world, our identity, our personality, moon is symbolic of our inner world, our emotions, our desires, our fears, our worries, our dreams, etc. People have diverse experiences related to the changing moon cycles. Now, in this context, I would like to mention a specific theory called lunar theory or lunar effect, which is the idea that there is a correlationship between the human beings, the human behavior, and the moon cycles. And full moon is both a time of crisis and a time of opportunity. Full moon is viewed as a kind of opportunity, development, growth, and so on. At the same time, during full moon, we human beings also experience certain kind of psychological disturbances, mental and emotional fluctuations. We also show signs of insanity. We exhibit a tendency to commit crimes, and we also become a bit romantic. Now, when you go for an in depth study of the character sketch of Adrian Mole, we will be able to identify traces of these feelings embedded in the personality of a teenage boy named Adrian Mole. Epiphany means a sudden revelation, a sudden realization, a sudden flash of understanding or insight and enlightenment. So, when he makes a remark about his life environment and his life circumstances, he is giving an indication of the realization of what life has in store for him in the future. Okay, so that's all for today's class. And in the next video session, I will be making a continuation of the diary entries as jotted down by Sue Townsend in her masterpiece, The Secret Diary of Adrian Mole, aged 13, 3 by 4. Hope you had a different intellectual experience. Thanks for watching my session. Until we meet again in the next video session, stay tuned. Thank you.